Okay guys, today you're going to be doing something called a Vinere Cipher, and you are going to be using this blue and red line to click and drag over to the letters. So what you do is you take the blue letter, which is the letter W, you grab this line and put it in the row that has the W. Now look at the red, and it wants you to put it on the letter J. Now wherever these two lines intersect, that's the letter that you are going to place in the black box for your lock answer. The next one is the letter E, and the letter Q is in red. So you move that. The letter that it intersects with is the letter U. And we're going to move this to the S. And then the red one goes to the letter V. And that intersects with N. And this is what you're going to do. Have fun. Oh, and if you forgot to watch the video, there is a little button right here so you can go back. Have fun.